If you told me 20 years ago what I'd be doing today, I would be like, what? I'm like a model? What? I'm gonna model and be like this really pretty girl wearing these crazy outfits and I'm gonna have my tits? What, I'm gonna have tits? I was always encouraged to make art and to create things. I kind of just hoard, I sort of hoard things that I can use for photo shoots. I'm really worried that if I lose this barn, I'm not going to be able to finish my space movie.
Oh my, an army of testosterons.
It appears that something attacked the station and forced the crew to self-destruct.
I grew up in a yard full of cars. My dad was a Volkswagen mechanic, and so we had a yard full of Volkswagens. I kind of shared in the booty of finding things. You can have many different lives, I think, if you've been in that adult industry. You can just go and fade away or just disappear into society. And I don't think I'm not gonna go quietly into the void.
If you guys want to see some performances, please direct your attention to the end of the pool tables. We have Tari Emory, past, present, and future, performing for you.
A lot of people sort of fade away. I want to get my name out there.